Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an update on my predictions that I made for oil and the oil stocks, the chart that I made like a week ago, something like that. So we're going to be updating this for the first time, and the day of the recording of this video is May 20. So tomorrow is going to be released, which will be May 21. So anyways guys, before I begin, I want to make clear that none of this is financial information of any sort, right? Advice or anything like that. It's just me making some charts, some extremely good charts, I might say, because as always they are extremely accurate. So let's begin with the first day, the first circle. You know, we have a green circle, very clear. An uptrend for May 16. That's exactly what happened. This is where the day started. As you can see, it took a dip, but then a big jump right here. It established a new, what will be later on with the following days be this the current resistance. It dip again, but then slowly, all the way up, it continued to creep up. And it was indeed an uptrend for this day, which also develops into the next day, the next trend, which, as you know, I said that time that there will be an uptrend happening either by May 17 or May 18, and it happened on May 17. Also, I said that I also had circles, both green and yellow, red and yellow, which basically means yellow. There was high potential that May 17 was going to be a yellow day, in the sense that it will be very volatile, it will be undecided, it will be more like a range. So as you can see, within the first hours, it was indeed a range. It was indeed kind of downtrendy, as you can see right here. You can clearly see the downtrend here. You can see the range right here, right in these moments. But then it just kind of went up and continued to went up. And then the uptrend prediction that I made was solidified by the final hours of the day. So that happened on May 17. Of course, the market doesn't open on May 18. So anyways, it happened on May 17. Then on May 19, we had this uptrend continue, but then it took a big dip right here. You can see a correction right as we enter on May 20. So May 20, exactly as I predicted. Look at this, exactly as I predicted. I said that May 20 will be a downtrend, either on May 20 or 21, and it will also be kind of volatile or in a range fashion, right? So right here you can see the volatility. You can see, boom, this massive dip, really big dip on oil, and then it recovered exactly as powerful as the dip was. The recovery was also very powerful. Then it continued to dip again. These kind of support levels a little bit lower, but still kind of support. It recovered, but as you can see, this is not even a fraction of the strength that its previous recovery had. And then a range for the rest of the day, the final hours, and continued to dip in the final, literally the final hours, like the 2-4 final hours. So yeah guys, so far so good. This is a 100% correct prediction, and I expected that the rest of the chart that I made will be very similar, if not entirely 100% accurate, exactly as I designed it in the first place. So it's also funny that, you know, like I said, oil and gold are very funny stocks, in the sense that we can somehow trace geopolitics with these kind of stocks. When one or the other goes up or down, those moments are usually of relatively high tensions in the world, and that's exactly what we are looking at in the Middle East. Of course, you know, this is not a geopolitics channel. I might have to make one of those in the very near future, because I can also predict geopolitics to a certain degree. But yeah, it's very funny. Like I said, when I said my prediction on May 15, I mean April 15. Those things are usually very correlated with what happens in the world, and the Middle East is one of the key focus regions, very important strategically for geopolitics. So I'm not surprised at all that there's more tension in that place, and there will be more tension in the future. I don't expect that to change. It's always been the gate roads of the world, that region, the Middle East. So anyways, guys, I don't want to make this video any longer. I expect to the next days, the next circles develop exactly as I predicted, if not with some little variations, especially in the days between these circles. But this is going to be a very nice prediction, as always. So anyways, like and subscribe, make a comment if you wish, whatever. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Take care.